Hello, my name is Ryan Cowan, and I'm the founder and general manager of RG Cowan Design Build. Firstly, we want to say thank you and welcome to RG Cowan Design. We're starting this video series because we want to educate our potential clients on who we are, what we do, and why we do it. For example, I myself find my passion in my business deeply rooted in my desire to be creative and to build high quality things. The connection between my mind and my hand has always been the thing that's led me forward, and it's the reason that I became a designer and a professional home builder. RG Cowan Design has been in the Grand Junction market for about 20 years, beginning here in 2003, primarily as remodeling contractors, and since that time we've taken a lot of buildings apart and discovered things that work and things that don't work so well. Over the last 5 years, we spent a lot of time building a great team, and this team strives to provide a fully integrated process and a transparent customer journey. As builders, we build thoughtful, highly considered, architecturally significant modern homes for design-minded clients. We feel that by building homes that are durable, energy efficient, and based in quality, we can provide homes that are healthy, comfortable, reliable, and lasting. This is not only to give our clients peace of mind, but to provide them with a home that is energy independent and low maintenance and something they can rely on for its lifetime. In order to achieve all this, we have committed ourselves to building high performance, passive house inspired towards net zero homes moving forward. And we hope that you will join us on this journey by watching our video series, as well as following us on Instagram at RG Cowan Design, where we hope that you will learn more about us and our team and our processes, and that we can help you someday build the home of your dreams. Thank you, and welcome to RG Cowan Design.